Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to process your visa in Japan using the online system. This is helpful because it's free, available 24/7, can be used in English, and lets you apply from home or the office without going to the immigration counter, and in some cases, you can receive your residence card by mail. So most residents can use it except diplomat and temporary visitors, and you can submit applications like certificate of eligibility, change of status, extension of period stay, permission to acquire status, certificate of authorized employment, re-entry permission, and permission to engage in activities outside your current status. And before you start, prepare your My Number card, residence card, a laptop or PC, an IC card reader, and a GPKI client software. And remember not to use Gmail because you may not receive emails, so use a Yahoo Japan email instead. And to apply, install the GPKI client software and the Chrome extension. Connect your IC card reader and insert your My Number card. Then go to the online application system website and register as a foreign national user by entering your PINs and personal details. And then reset your password using the email that you received. After that, log in with your PIN, authentication ID, and password. Select your application type. For renewal, choose extension of period of stay. Enter your details, upload your facial photo, max 50 KB, and your supporting documents as one PDF only, max 10 MB. Save carefully because you can't change it after saving. Then submit the application and wait for the confirmation email, and use the search menu to check your status, since processing is usually around a month or less depending on your case. So once you receive the approval email for visa renewal, send the required items within 14 days by simplified registered post. Buy 2 letter pack light. Write the immigration address on the first pack and your sender address. Write your application reception number and number of applicants on the back. Write your delivery address on the second pack and leave the sender blank, then fold it. Fill out the fee payment form and paste a 4,000 yen revenue stamp. Place the second letter pack, your original residence cards, and the fee payment form inside the first letter pack and mail it. So I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.